Configuring Lync front end on vserv3, stage 1. Log into vserv3, which is not on the domain yet. Go to View Network Connections. Go to Properties, IPv4, and change the DNS server to .201. Click OK. In early testing, I found that IPv6 has caused a couple problems, so I have been turning it off. This may not be necessary any longer. For sure it works with just IPv4. Click OK. Close out of this, and we're going to join the domain via Server Manager. Click Change System Properties. Click Change. Click Domain. Add macroconnect.local. Click OK. Type in the domain, administrator username, and domain password. Click OK. Click OK. It's going to tell you to reboot. Click OK. Click Close, and restart now. Once it reboots, log in, hit Switch User, Other User, type in macroconnect/administrator and your password. When we log in, the server manager will start. We're going to do the prereqs for Lync. So let's go to Features, Add Features, check .NET 3.5.1, click Add Required, check Message Queuing, Expand. We want Directory Service Integration. Minimize that. And then we want Remote Server Administration Tools. Click Add Required Role Services. Click Next, 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 and Install. The wizard finishes and advises us that we need to restart. I'm clicking Close. I'm going to hold off on restarting because we have some roles that we're going to install too. So go up to Roles, Add Roles, and you'll see that Windows prevents you from doing that. So we're going to restart. Once the computer restarts, log in. It continues configuring. Click Close once it's successfully completed. Now go up to Roles, Add Roles, click Next. We're doing File Services. Click Next, click Next, click Next, and Install. Click Close. Now we're going to scroll down and we're going to add role services to IIS. So add role services. We're doing static content, default directory browsing, HTTP errors, ASP.NET, and add required role services. .NET extensibility has to be checked. Extensions and filter, HTTP logging, logging tool, request monitor, tracing, Windows authentication, certificate mapping authentication, request filtering, static content compression, IIS management console, IIS management scripts. Click Next, click Install. Once it finishes, hit Close, close Server Manager. In Internet Explorer, navigate to the Silverlight URL so that we can install it. I'm going to click to install. Click Run, and install now. Click Next, click Close. Close your browser. Navigate to your network share, and we now need to get the UCMA 3.0 runtime. The exact URL of that's in the install text guide. Click Run. Click Next. Accept the terms. Click Install. Click Finish. Close out of that folder. Go to Media, DVD, Insert Disk, and pick the Lync ISO file. Click Open. That will trigger an autoplay and do Run Setup. Click Install. Accept terms. OK.